Happy June 1st, theorists. It is time for our weekly portfolio recap. Hi everybody, my name is Neil and welcome back to Option Theory. It is Monday, so we're going to be doing a portfolio recap. We don't have a trade for you today, but we will look at the trades we put on or taken off over the past week. So on screen, you can see here I have my margin account, and we're inside, of course, ThinkOrSwim, because we do this to test our theories about trading options, right? And we do so using simulated trading in ThinkOrSwim. So if this is the kind of thing you're looking to learn to do, to get better at, we invite you to join us and you can start building out a portfolio like we have here. We have 12 positions on and we took one off over the week, this past week. So let's take a look at that. I'm in my margin account, by the way. We just started using the IRA as well, but for now we're looking at the margin account, and I'll pull up the account statement and I have it set to show me the past 7 days, and we can see here I have twirled open the trade history here. You can see I have 4 orders and 4 of them filled. Last week was a holiday week here in the US, so we only had 4 trading days out of the 5, right? And we didn't get cherry bombs, but 3 of those 4 days. So there are the 3 orders we filled on. Here's the one we closed. We closed XLF, and we did receive a credit of 56 cents. So 33 would be the profit that we made on that one. So $33 profit. That's good percentage on that one. So yeehaw. Now we have UNG, natural gas, silver. I believe that was a strangle. Yeah, you can see a strangle right here. And in Amazon, we put an iron condor on Friday. So we'll see how all that is looking. And I do that, of course, by going over to the Analyze tab and going to Risk Profile. We can go through our positions. So you hit this little drop down arrow, make sure you're on positions. You can see all of your positions here, and it's easy to click through and review your positions, right? So we put on Amazon last week on Friday. We can see where we are there. It was more centered then, so it looks like it came up a little bit. That's all right though. Our probability is still looking good here at 60%, right? Facebook is not something we put on last week. We put on silver. Silver was a strangle, and we are a little bit bearish at this point. Our delta has become negative. We'd like it to come back this way. The trade that we did in the IRA, though, is working out better here. So that guy was what we would call a jade lizard here, right? And we do this as a modification. So in case you felt that the strikes were too wide. Oh, wait, no. If you couldn't do a strangle, I'm thinking of Amazon, sorry. Silver here is because it was naked calls, and so we put one on that had a call spread, right? And the naked put would be okay. All right, so we're going back to the margin account, and we're going to move on through here. Natural gas is a naked put. So we do have 2 naked option positions right now that I wanted to review. So I'm going back to the monitor tab, go back to activity and positions, and I twirl these guys open, and I scan quickly down here to see the days to expiration. When you see those that are near the 21 mark, those are the ones that I look for to possibly manage or roll out in time if necessary. And really, because I'm only looking for the ones that have naked options. We've got UAL and we've got natural gas, right? So these guys here are potential rolling options, though when I looked at them, I'll show you here, risk profile, UAL. I'm okay with this one. 75% probability of ending up inside of my break-evens. I'm pretty happy with that. And I believe the other one was natural gas, the naked put here, right? So my price slice here is a little off. You can see that's supposed to be set to break even. So let me set slice to break even. There we go. We're looking at a round up 63% probability of profit on that one. Let's see, and I have my slice on the chart here. Let's just click that guy. Let's delete that one. Make sure I have it in the right place, and I'm going to choose to set slices to chart. It's probably going to be just right. So there we go. That's our break-even point. We don't want natural gas to go lower than that, and then we start feeling the pain, right, at expiration. So moving right along, we can see the sad story in here is our home builders one here, because they've given me the 100% probability that I'm going to be on this side of the fence, which is the bad side of the fence. And now I'll go over once again here. This is the theta switch at this point, so now time is working against us. So that's no good. All right. So closing that back up, I really don't see any management that I'm going to be doing. I kind of expect, I'm curious, shouldn't I say expect, you know, if you've watched the SpaceX launch, I'm wondering if any of that positive news is going to come over here and rain on my Tesla parade. I wouldn't really call that a parade, but make it go worse. So I'm going to keep an eye out for that. I wonder how you're doing in your portfolios if you've been following along here with these trades, because as much as this is something we can put on mechanically, right? And we can always shoot to be mechanical. There comes a time where you have to make the call. Do I pull the profit off? Do I let it go? Right? And so we're all going to manage these differently and make those decisions. So I'm curious how you're doing. I really appreciate that you all come here, and the recent viewers that I've had, the recent subscribers that I've had, I've gone up 12 recently, and that really means a lot to me. So thank you guys for your vote of confidence. If you're new to the channel, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button if you liked it. You can of course hit that thumbs down if you didn't like it, but subscribe and ring the bell if that's something that you'd like to be notified about when I release these videos. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow in our first cherry bomb of the week.